In a statement signed by its management, the Commission stated that CMTrading is not registered by the SEC to solicit investment or operate in any capacity within the Nigerian capital market. The platform is reportedly linked to GCMT South Africa Pty Limited, which claims to be licensed by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa and the Financial Service Authority of Seychelles. Investigations by the Commission revealed the CMTrading exhibit characteristics of a Ponzi scheme. The platform allegedly promises unusually high returns, relies heavily on a referral system to sustain payouts, and uses fake websites for subscribers and investment. The SEC advised the public to exercise extreme caution and warned that anyone who engages with CMTrading or its representative does so at their own risk. The National Bureau of Statistics has reported a 28.98% increase in the average cost of farm produce between January and May 2025, underscoring the deepening crisis in Nigeria's agricultural sector. The farm produce price index rose from 110.5 in January to 142.53 in May 2025. This surge is largely attributed to escalating insecurity affecting agricultural production and supply chains across the country. Despite this, Nigeria's headline inflation rate hissed to 22.97% in May 2025, down from 23.71% in April. The decline marks a 0.74% points drop month-on-month and a 10.98% point decrease compared to May 2024, when inflation stood at 33.95%. On a monthly basis, inflation slowed to 1.53% in May from 1.86% in April, indicating a slight moderation in consumer price increases. However, food inflation remains a significant concern. It stood at 21.14% year-on-year in May, down from 40.66% in May 2024, largely due to the base effect from the rebased consumer price index. Month-on-month, food inflation rose to 2.19% in May from 2.6% in April, reflecting fresh price increases in staples such as yam, cassava, maize, flour, sweet potatoes, fresh pepper, and anogbono. This indicates that while annual inflation figures show improvement, Nigerians continue to face real-time price hikes on essential food items. The Nigerian naira has remained in a consolidation phase in the unofficial market, fluctuating between 2,150 naira and 2,250 to the British pound in June 2025. The movement is driven by increased demand for the pound in Nigerians' commercial hubs. Analysts point to ongoing reforms by the Central Bank of Nigeria and increased participation by foreign investors as key to the naira's medium-term stability. The naira gained some support following the launch of global depository notes denominated in naira by BNY Mellon and Standard Bank. These notes, backed by Nigerian sovereign debts, are expected to improve foreign investor access to the country's high-yielding debt market. The instrument will be cleared through Euroclear and Clearstream, two major international clearing systems. Meanwhile, the pound faces uncertainty amid domestic economic challenges in the UK. The sterling has hit psychologically resistance at 1.35 to the US dollar. A sharp 2.7% drop in UK retail sales in May following a revised 1.3% rise in April has increased pressure on the Bank of England to consider rate cuts during the summer. The decline in retail sales, particularly in food stores, is the largest since December 2023. A data error in the vehicle excise duty series also affected the accuracy of the April figures. The UK's core consumer price index is to 3.5% in May from 3.8% in April, still well above the Bank of England's 2% target. Finance Minister Rachel Reeves acknowledged progress in stabilizing public finances, but admitted that significant challenges remains. Globally, the dollar has weakened, partly due to investor concerns over unpredictable policy making from the White House. This development has also contributed to the pound's recent strength. And that is all on the business news segment for tonight. I am Soher Osemegi reporting for BTV News.